Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to activate FL Studio license. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Okay, first we will go to Google and search for ImageLine. Click here, sign in. Now we log in with our account. Open FL Studio. Click on Help, About. As we can see, here we have FL Studio in trial mode. To unlock it, click here, log in. And click here. Now go to About again. And that's it. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.